Hey guys, what's up? This is Jason from SciFastic, and we've got our ClearScan device here. We've got the floor lit stand here. So you're going to see the LED light here that will light up. Now, you're wondering what to do when you receive this, how to plug it all together, right? So for ease of use, I've already taken the access panel that's on the back here. It just simply goes on with this 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So let's take that off. This is where you're going to have all of your data cords, and I've threaded it through the top. It's simply just drop down. You have a little washer here that safely secures it on there. We've hardwired the power DC adapter at the top here. So you just take your DC power here. Now if you have no other relays for door entries or data, there's no need for any of these. So we can just tuck these back into here. And all of your LED hardware is tucked in a cabinet right behind here. Very sleek, very nice. So then I would just boom, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, and put that back on there. So let me show you then. Power it up. We have the DC connector that will go to the wall down at the bottom here so that we don't have cords running through here. You notice it's already started to power up. You see the LED light here. Now it comes to you with the default settings of the Android hard drive already encrypted. Currently, the requirements are to wear a mask upon entry, so that is one of the default settings, as well as keeping stranger mode on to allow for visitors, which is great for any hotels, restaurants, any kind of public settings, but we have it on stranger record off, so it's not going to capture any data for any visitors. So there's no data being captured for anyone that's not an employee that would be put into this system. So we're all ready to go here. I'm going to put on my mask and show you that it's ready to go.
Please get close for taking temperature.
97.7. I'm ClearScan safe.